Hello, today we are at Lisinia Nature Project, which is one of the first formalized wildlife center in Turkey. It was established by a nature volunteer vet, Dr. Oztuk Sarica, in 2005 on the shores of Burdur Lake. So let's explore the project. These are beautiful and stunning pieces of artwork. I like the idea of using wood and other biodegradable material for all the structure around this project, as this is great for the environment. The Burdur Lake. You might wonder how to reach here. You can make a stopover if you are traveling from Bodrum or Antalya towards Istanbul or Ankara. It is almost 35 kilometers from Burdur city center and located in a very scenic and peaceful place, away from the hustle and puzzles of city life. You can expect to spend a half day and enjoy your meals here at the restaurants. Currently, there are 8 different projects happening in Lisinia. Volunteers from the age of 7 to 70 years are helping with these projects. You may become one of those volunteers too. They have a Lisinia Nature School in which experts educate visitors about social and sustainable development. If you want to learn more about the project, then you may visit their website. The link is given in the description below. Burdur Lake is being polluted from the nearby farms. In addition, water levels is decreasing at an alarming speed due to climate change and extraction of water for drinking and farming. If measures are not taken, then it is estimated that the lake may dry in the next 20 to 30 years. Water conservation becomes crucial, and this project is playing its role by campaigning for the sustainable use of water. You will find a wildlife rehabilitation center in which wild animals that have been shot by hunters, poisoned by chemicals, or have various diseases or injuries are taken care of. So far, 394 animals brought to the center have been treated and released back into nature. There are currently about 40 animals that are still being taken care of. The animals range from toads, eagles, to pigs, to owls, to jackals. Even you will find cats and dogs living here safe and happily. This project has educated farmers to stop using insecticides, herbicides, rat poisons because they have hazardous effects on the environment and the ecology. Surprisingly, they are using 100% clean energy using solar panels, which you can see at the backside of the project. Installing wind turbine is just down the pipeline. There is a large lavender field that's worth visiting in July and August when it blossoms. All fruits and veggies grown in the farm are organic without using any insecticides or fertilizers. There is a beekeeping area next to the farm. And don't forget to buy organic honey and other natural products from the gift shop. All money goes towards different wildlife projects. Local projects like Lisinia have a global impact. Let's make our planet safer for our future generations. As always, smaller actions have bigger impacts. Keep exploring life with Maqbool.